Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope you will be fine. Open your social studies books, class 6, chapter number 6, page number 24, the climate of South Asia. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about following contents. You can see on your screen. Let's learn weather and climate. In this topic, we will discuss about the difference between weather and climate. Then we will discuss about the effect of climate on various factors, which you will see in next slides. Then we will learn how wind system affects the climate. Objectives. After this lecture, the students will be able to differentiate between weather and climate. They are also able to explain the terms Southern Hemisphere and wind system in South Asia. Let's learn about difference between weather and climate. Weather is short-term changes in atmosphere, like how is the state of atmosphere at particular place, heat, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind, etc. It changes rapidly. It is difficult to predict. Now everyone can guess easily about weather after looking outside of your window. Climate. Climate is basically average of weather observations over many years. It is what weather is like over long period of time at certain areas. Now I am going to explain the effect of climate effect on many factors, but your book emphasizes on three main points. Number one, agriculture. Number two, lives of population. Number three, occupations. Firstly, we will discuss about the agriculture. The researcher Saifullah from the University of Agriculture has written in his research paper in 2017, Pakistan ranks 12th among countries of world that are expected to be severely affected by climate change. Change in climate can disturb the availability of food in certain regions. For example, mangoes are easily available in summer, but due to climate changes, mangoes are not available in winters. Due to climate change, excess of food is reduced. It also reduces quality of food. For example, in Australia, the mangoes are tasteless and not tasty as they are in Pakistan. Rice, banana, pineapple are grown in hot countries, and wheat, maize, and barley in cooler region of country. Now we are going to discuss about the effect of climate on lives of populations. Due to heavy rains, change in climate, there are greater risk of floods. For example, in 2010, in Pakistan, total number of people killed due to climate range from 1,200 to 2,200 and 1.6 million houses were damaged. This information is taken from encyclopedia. In summer, when there is high temperature and atmosphere, increase in death occurs due to heat stress. in addition to low rainfall, result in decreased water in many communities. It is also increased energy demand for cooling. Climate also affects on occupation due to climate change effects are unevenly distributed in different parts of country. Hot environment, air pollution affect people in their daily basis working area badly. Now we are going to learn about the very first topic of chapter 6, which is wind system in South Asia. There are three main wind systems in South Asia. The southwest monsoon from June to September, the western depressions from December to March, and the depression means dry air. Number 3, then we will discuss about the northeasterly. Before I would explain the first wind system, which is southwest monsoon, I would like to tell you about wind system and northern hemisphere. Definition: wind system. If definition of wind system. If this is the earth, wind is passing over the surface of the earth, we can say that the wind basically controls the climate of certain region. Before I would explain the term northern hemisphere, I will tell you what is hemisphere. Actually, hemisphere is basically half of earth or sphere. When we will use the term northern hemisphere, that means half of the earth from north of the equator. Now let's come on the picture of map which I have taken from book Oxford School Atlas for Pakistan. With the help of this picture, I will tell you about what is South Asian region and where are Western, Northern, and Eastern Asian regions are located on map. You can see this red marked area clearly on your screen. Red marked area is Asian continent. In map, I have marked north, west, south, and east directions. The Asian region, which is near to north, is known as Northern Asia. The Asia region nearer to the east is known as Eastern region. The land of Asia continent near to the south is called Southern Asia. The region near to the west is known as Western region. I hope now all of you can answer about where Eastern, Western, Northern regions of Asia are located in the map. Now some other important terms. You can see table from your book I have taken. If I will use the term hot air, it means I am talking about the temperature average of 32 degrees centigrade or more. If I will use the term warm air, it means I am talking about the range of temperature which varies from 21 degrees centigrade to 31 degrees centigrade. When we will discuss the mild air, it means the temperature range is between 10 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade. Similarly, from 0 centigrade to 9 degrees centigrade, it is cool air in atmosphere. And below 0 centigrade, it is cold atmosphere. Now come to the topic of the wind system. Let's discuss first factor, which is the southwest monsoon from June to September. You can see same map which I have taken before. From top northern Asian region, when sun rays are falling directly or had its place on north of Asia, hot air will arise from northern Asian region. As we know, hot air will always move towards cooler region. So, not so hot air from north region of Asia will move towards Indian Ocean, which lies on the south of map. As you know, water heats up later with respect to land due to hot sun rays falling on earth. So there is cooler air over the Indian Ocean which will mix up with hot air which came from north region of Asia. This mixture of hot air and cool air will together move towards south region of Asia, where they will bring very heavy rain over India, Bangladesh, and Assam. It brings less rain in Pakistan as compared to India, Bangladesh, and Assam. These rains across over the India leave much moisture there. Pakistan gets again rainfall when these monsoon winds come back in Pakistan. The monsoon winds that come back to the Pakistan are known as retreating monsoon. They bring rain